Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Your support keeps the content coming. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications.
Apple, the tech giant known for its sleek iPhones, is steadily shifting its manufacturing focus towards India. This strategic move signals India's growing prominence in the global technology landscape. India's appeal lies in its vast pool of skilled labor, government incentives, and a burgeoning domestic market for smartphones. Apple's journey in India began in 2017 with the production of the iPhone SE. Since then, the partnership has deepened, encompassing a wider range of iPhone models. The collaboration extends beyond Apple's own manufacturing facilities to include partnerships with leading contract manufacturers like Foxconn, Wistron, and Pegatron. This strategic shift is not just about diversifying production, it's about tapping into India's potential as a global tech manufacturing powerhouse. As Apple continues to invest in India, the country stands to benefit from increased job creation, technology transfer, and economic growth. The upcoming iPhone 16, set to be unveiled on September 9th, is poised to be a significant milestone in Apple's Indian manufacturing journey. Industry insiders predict that a significant portion of iPhone 16 production will take place in India, highlighting the country's growing role in Apple's global supply chain. The iPhone 16, rumored to boast cutting-edge camera technology and lightning-fast processing speeds, is expected to be a game-changer for Apple. India, with its price-sensitive market, is a crucial battleground for smartphone dominance, and Apple is strategically positioning itself for success. The success of the iPhone 16 in India could have ripple effects throughout the global tech industry. It could solidify India's reputation as a reliable and cost-effective manufacturing hub, attracting further investment and solidifying its position as a key player in the global electronics market. Foxconn, the Taiwanese electronics giant synonymous with iPhone assembly, is embarking on a new and ambitious venture: electric vehicles. The company, known for its manufacturing prowess, is constructing a sprawling 700-acre facility in Zhengzhou, China, the very city dubbed iPhone City. This strategic move signifies Foxconn's ambition to reduce its reliance on Apple and capitalize on the rapidly growing EV market. With iPhone sales plateauing and Apple diversifying its production, Foxconn is proactively seeking new avenues for growth and revenue generation. This bold move into the EV sector is not without its challenges. Foxconn will face stiff competition from established automakers and emerging EV startups. However, the company's vast manufacturing experience, global reach, and competitive pricing strategy could give it a significant edge in this rapidly evolving market. For years, China has been the epicenter of Apple's manufacturing operations. However, the tech giant is gradually diversifying its production, with India emerging as a prominent alternative. This strategic shift is driven by a confluence of factors, including rising labor costs in China, geopolitical considerations, and the need to mitigate risks associated with over-reliance on a single country. India's Make in India initiative, aimed at boosting domestic manufacturing, aligns perfectly with Apple's diversification strategy. The Indian government is actively courting foreign investment, offering incentives, and creating a favorable business environment to attract global tech giants like Apple. This shift in Apple's manufacturing strategy has significant implications for both China and India. While China risks losing manufacturing jobs and investment, India stands to gain economically from increased employment opportunities, technology transfer, and a boost to its manufacturing sector. Section 5. iPhone City, a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. Zhengzhou, a bustling city in central China, has earned the nickname iPhone City due to the presence of Foxconn's gargantuan factory, responsible for producing a significant portion of the world's iPhones. This sprawling complex, employing hundreds of thousands of workers, has become a symbol of China's manufacturing might and its integral role in the global tech supply chain. However, Foxconn's decision to construct an EV factory in Zhengzhou suggests a potential shift in the city's industrial landscape. As Apple diversifies its manufacturing and Foxconn seeks to reduce its reliance on iPhones, the future of iPhone City hangs in the balance. The success of Foxconn's EV venture will be crucial for Zhengzhou's continued economic growth and its ability to retain its title as a global manufacturing hub. The city's ability to adapt to the changing demands of the tech industry will determine its future prosperity. Section 6. Foxconn's Electric Dreams, Driving Beyond Apple's Shadow. Foxconn's foray into electric car manufacturing is not merely a diversification tactic, it's a bold statement of intent. The company aims to leverage its vast manufacturing expertise, global reach, and economies of scale to become a dominant force in the rapidly growing EV market. To achieve its ambitious goals, Foxconn is actively seeking strategic partnerships with established automakers and tech companies. The company's strategy involves providing its manufacturing prowess and supply chain expertise to help other companies bring their EV visions to life. Despite its manufacturing prowess, Foxconn faces formidable challenges in the fiercely competitive EV market. Success will hinge on its ability to secure partnerships, innovate rapidly, and navigate the complex regulatory landscape of the automotive industry. Section 7. The Global Assembly Line. Charting the future of iPhone production. The future of iPhone production lies in a geographically diversified approach. While China will remain a significant manufacturing hub, Apple's increasing investments in India and other countries signal a shift towards a more balanced and resilient global supply chain. This diversification strategy mitigates risks associated with over-reliance on a single country, reduces the impact of geopolitical tensions, and allows Apple to tap into new markets, talent pools, and government incentives. This trend towards a more distributed manufacturing model is not limited to Apple. It's a broader industry trend driven by factors such as trade tensions, rising labor costs, and the need for greater supply chain resilience. Section 8. A New Dawn for Manufacturing. India's Ascent and Global Implications. Apple's growing presence in India is a testament to the country's emergence as a global manufacturing powerhouse. India's vast pool of skilled labor, competitive labor costs, and government support make it an attractive destination for global tech giants seeking to diversify their production. This shift in manufacturing dynamics has profound implications for the global economy. It creates jobs, boosts economic growth, and fosters technological innovation in emerging markets like India, while also enhancing the resilience and flexibility of global supply chains. As the global manufacturing landscape continues to evolve, India is poised to play an increasingly important role, driving economic growth, technological innovation, and a more balanced and interconnected global economy.